It is Kohl's time once again. I am back inside Kohl's for the extra 50% off clearance event that we called out last night in my group. We already cooked a ton of stuff online, and I'm back here in store. And oh my gosh, there is so much stuff, guys. Everything with a yellow tag on it is an additional 50% off. And there's aisles of this stuff. Let's eat. All right, so I get a lot of people asking me how I know what items are going to sell. So I'm going to show a couple examples here. First off, $5 on this guy right here because it's an extra 50% off. And I'm using my Profit AI and the eProfit app. All you have to do is open that up and take a picture of it. Super easy. You used to have to look this stuff up manually. Now you can just take a picture, scan it in, and it will pull the prices right there. Look at that. That is all this truck. And it'll say at the top, you can look at sold, you can look at active, so you can find out the sell-through rate. You can see the average price is $22.63, estimated profit after fees. So we're gonna put our item costs in, which is gonna be about $5.50 after tax. Our shipping costs, it's about 8 ounces, so it's gonna be about $4.50. And profit on this guy would be $8.99, so this would be a buy. Now next, let's look up a pair of shoes. We got these Giannis's here. So all we're gonna do, snap a picture, scan it, and then we can see average sold price, $46, estimated profit after fees. Well, the price on those is gonna be around $30 after tax, so $30 shipping costs. These could be up to $12 shipping, which means negative $2.34, so these are gonna be a pass. Even if it was $6, I'd make $3.66, not worth it. So this helps make it really easy to decide what shoes, what items you're buying to take home with you and which ones to leave in the store. All right, there is the haul. Might be my biggest Kohl's shoe haul I have ever had. Let's try to go as best as we can, shoe by shoe. Obviously, I have them sorted by brand, but there's going to be some different styles in here. We got some $16 Converses to start off. On top of those, we've got these Beats that I sell all day long for $90. Remember, everything's an additional 50% off of the tag. So those were like $42.25 into $90. Someone bought both of these actually last week, 2 of them from one of the past sales. So someone might clean me out on those. We got some Converses under here that were $10. I mean, come on, that's absolutely crazy. Under that, these are actually some Converse boots that were $24. I got a bunch of those in here. A couple of the other kinds of Converses. Yeah, these are all boots. These are some highs, like $22 or $23. They sell for like $65 on those. We got some purple Currys here. There weren't a ton of comps out there on these, but they were $30, and I get $70 for most of these, and they move really fast, especially during basketball season. So that's what those are, under a bunch more Converses. They just had some good deals on those. We got a Bengals trucker here for 21, so 10.50. I'll get like 28 bucks for that. Nothing crazy, but it'll sell decently quick. Then I got some Adidas hats here. Those were like $8. They sell for like 25, so nothing crazy, but you know I love my hats. Then we got these high-end Asics here. Those were like $28, and it was a really cool looking colorway, like light blue, so I figured they would go for a decent bit. Then we got these LeBrons, which are a youth size, but only like $32, and a really ugly colorway, so they are going to sell, and the comps don't lie as well. I'm not guessing on any of this. It is all based on research. Do not just buy things you think are going to sell. Buy things that have a sales history. That's why I'm showing comps up on the screen. Just like these A6 lights here. Those I didn't even know anything about, but I looked up the comps and they were selling really well. 27, 28 bucks is what those were. Under those, we got some Nike Air Maxes. I've already sold a bunch of pairs of these for like $70. We got these Wind Flows that $20.50, which is absolutely crazy. And I know those are going to be absolute money. Got some more Air Maxes here, the bright pink ones. Half off of 57, which is a crazy deal. These are all those pink ones as well. Under those, we got some Kohl Hans at some good prices as well. We got these Grand Plus, just dress shoes, $25. Under those, we got some loafers here for $21. Over here, we got some sneakers for 20 bucks. Pretty much all the rest are just different colors of all those different prices, but that's really good prices. I do pretty decent with that brand. Next, we got some more Nikes. Another pair of Air Maxes here, which you got to pay up for, but that was a really cool colorway. Under that, another one just like that. And under that one, black version of those. So I had to pay up for those. Actually, these ones weren't as bad as those other two. Actually, that one wasn't as bad as the other one either. So half of 62, half of 55. The first one was 71, but those Air Maxes do really well, especially in that style. Then we got some LeBrons for $22. Actually, two pairs of those. We got some purples, and I think these were black. Yep. Cannot beat LeBrons for $22. Under that, we got some waffles for $26. Those are some more Air Maxes, half of 57. And then more Air Maxes on the bottom. Then over here, we got some New Balances. I always do really well with New Balances. This is a new style. Sales were there. I'm going to give it a shot. I've not sold this style before, so we'll just have to see. They have a lot more of these, so I'm just going to test out a few different sizes, and I might be able to go back and get them if I can get them listed in time. These 515s, I have sold a lot of. Those are $24. They sell for like $55 to $65 all day long. Under those, we got another one of these online tags, so half off of $66. 33 bucks on those Laredo boots, which are going for hefty change if you see that. And then under them, we got the Durangos, half off of 95, so like $48 on those. And those bad boys are also going for a nice chunk of change. Then if you saw in that time lapse, I unboxed these because they came from Kohl's online. Again, we called out a bunch of online cooks in the group. I loaded up on a ton of these. Another purple colorway, kind of look like Buzz Lightyears with the green. That's why I picked them up. Those were $30, and those are selling for like $70 as well. So that's everything we picked up these last few days in the Kohl's sale. Members in the group absolutely ate up this sale. Check out some of their hauls. Again, I sell a lot of shoes, but that doesn't mean that's the only thing that you can sell in these sales. That's just my bread and butter, so that's really just what I source. There was a ton of clothing in this sale that a lot of people loaded up on, as well as electronics and a bunch of other stuff. I kind of just get in and out with the shoes because that's really what I know, and I can get in and out of the stores really fast. So that's just what I do, but that doesn't mean that's the only thing that's profitable at these stores. As you can see, people are loading up on all different categories. Source what you're interested in. So again, probably my most insane Kohl's haul so far. And I honestly did not go as crazy as I could have because I'm expecting them to do Kohl's Cash. Usually in these Kohl's events, like a week in or so, they will do Kohl's Cash where they give you an additional $10 for every 50 spent. So I left a ton of these shoes in store, hoping to be able to go back to a few of my local ones and load up on them during that. Even if they don't do it, I'm very happy with all the pairs that I was able to pick up. Again, if you don't want to miss out on the next sale like this, check out my group Bread and Butter, first link in the description, to know ahead of time when sales like this are going to hit, and also for daily in-store and online leads. And if you're not sure how to start selling on eBay, we have a full eBay course completely included in that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I have an Academy video coming, hopefully within the next 3 to 4 days. So be sure to check that out. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.